Maurice chocolate chip cookies, everyone's favorite. For this you would need half a cup butter, half a cup granulated sugar, quarter cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 2 cups sifted flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix your butter with the sugars, then add your egg with vanilla essence. Mix your half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Set in your flour, and in the mixer it goes. Put in your 1 cup of chocolate chips last. I used an ice cream scooper to scoop out my cookie dough, but you could use a tablespoon just as well. Put aside some chocolate chips so you can put that on top of your cookies right before baking.